Hey everybody, I'm going to try and make another video. I'm using a different program here that's hopefully going to show us how to, uh, I don't know, well, I'm going to do it anyway. I'm hopefully going to be able to show you how to make a video note. All right, so first off, I need to be a student. There we go. Click on I'm a student now, and I need to make a video note. So for a video note for assignment, the fastest way to do this is to head over to the Dropbox. So I go to my assignments. All right, I choose student orientation because this is the one where it's going to go. Okay, I scroll down here. This is a little information right here from me to you. All right, the video notes the last part of the student orientation, assignment 5, SOA5. All right, acronyms. You can write me a comment in here and then include the video note through something called insert stuff. Let's see, it says add video note. You can do that only when you add a file. All right. So if you're going to drop document 4 in here, so SOA4, you can make the video note there. But really the easiest way is right here where it says record video. So you select record video. It's going to ask you to use your microphone. Have access to your microphone and use your camera. You choose allow. All right. You will then see yourself. All right. So now I'm talking to you there, and there's also one over here because of the Screencastify video. So I have access to that. Now, here's the big challenge. It's not super intuitive. You have to scroll down to get to the start recording button. Okay. So if you scroll up, you won't see it and you'll be stuck. All right. What do I do now? Blackshot told me how to make a video note and I can't even see it just doesn't work. All right. Just take your 2 fingers or your cursor or your mouse and just scroll down to start new recording. Gives you 3 minutes of runtime. So you'll choose your recording here. Say, hi, my name is Elliot Blackshaw. I'm a teacher at Richtown District High School, which is located in Chatham, Kent, just right off the 401. Hit stop. It's going to play. Hi, my name is Elliot Blackshaw. It's going to play it back to you immediately. All right. I just pause it in there so you don't have to hear it. All right. 10 seconds is all that took. You choose add. It forms it. Now you have to give it a title. You don't have to give it a description, but you do have to give it a title. So I'm going to call this how to make a video note demo 3. All right. This is the 3rd attempt on this one. This is the one I hopefully that everyone can see. I select add and it drops it right there. Okay. You scroll down, you hit submit. It'll spin through it there and then it'll tell you review assignment submission, file submission successful. Gives me what it is, gives me the date, the time, all that fun stuff. Confirmation email sent. So I got an email. All right. And then I just select done. Okay. When it comes time to do your document, all right, you drop it in the same box. Okay. You can put multiple items in the same drop box. All right. So you just hit done and that should be it. Okay. Let's see. All right. This just takes me back to the Dropbox. Okay. Okay, so this takes me to the next Dropbox. All right, no big deal. We're not here anymore. So I just hit cancel, come out. All right, so that's really how you make a video note. All right, we're going to do a number of these throughout the semester, so you need to become familiar with it and you need to become comfortable with it. Some people have tried to make their own video notes and drop it in as a file. Sometimes that'll work for some assignments, but not for all of them. Okay, for this one specifically, the student orientation Dropbox, you need to make a video note using the software built in. All right, okay, that should be it.